Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a bug report for Flux Studio. Keep getting this unhandled error, and I've already created an error log, so I'm not going to show you that. Close this. I'm going to try uploading the new. I'm going to try uploading the new firmware and see if that fixes the unhandled error. And upload, and I keep getting that error. And it looks okay, successfully updated or uploaded. Okay, and I'll get the error here in a moment, I'm guessing. There it goes. And now what I'm going to do is close this. Yes. And hopefully whatever has just been installed will fix whatever problems Flux Studio is having. So I'm going to start it up again. This is a Windows 10 device. Okay, it looks like it's whatever errors I was getting are now functioning or gone. Okay, so that looks like beginning. Flux Studio 3.5. There's no update or upload or download new in the help. So, and add a new device. There we go. Update firmware. That's interesting. Let's see if that works. Okay. And there was another one about a tool head firmware. Right there, download that and save. Ideally, all of this should be actually happening in the studio, but it's not. Let's go here, update firmware, and I'll go to toolhead. See if that does anything. Another error. Another error. Another error. Okay. Close. Really annoying with the errors. Upload. Choose file. Wow. Flux head. Open. Close that. Upload. Close. Lots of errors. Too many errors. No indication in the window if anything is being installed. Lots of errors though. I don't like the errors. And the downloads doesn't have a calibration file. Let's see if there's a calibration. Or a simple file for, if they offer a simple file. Triple is with one P, ladies and gentlemen, not two. And no sample files. No sample files, which is unfortunate, but that's what we do. All right, thanks for watching, and again, Flux 3D Studio, lots of errors. Thanks, and have a good